Keep watching for a helpful tip at the end of this video. The bonnet release lever is located in the passenger footwell area. Then push the release latch to the left to open the bonnet. Viewed from the front, the battery is located on the right hand side. We'll start with a negative terminal at the back. The Peugeots are equipped with these handy quick release terminals where you don't need any tools, you just pull the lever upwards to release. Now we just need to remove a single retaining bracket. You'll need a 10mm socket and an extension for this. You might have to grab the battery post to tilt the front upwards and remove the battery. Fit the sleeve over the battery before installing the new one, and make sure to line up the positive to the front. Now you might not see this initially, but there's a retaining slot on the right hand side which the battery has to slot into, so just make sure that you do that before tightening down the hold down bracket. It's always a good idea to fit the bracket loosely until the positive terminal is connected, in case we need to move the battery around a bit. We can now fit the terminals, starting with a positive. Make sure to push the terminal all the way down before pushing the lever down to secure it. The danger with removing the positive first is when a tool is used to remove the clamp, which can touch the bodywork. In this case, the clamp that is used on the positive terminal can be loosened without any tools. It is therefore safe to remove the positive first. If you'd like to know how to choose the correct battery for your vehicle, then go ahead and watch this one. I hope you found this video helpful, so please consider subscribing. Until next time.